The following segment is sponsored by Quaker Oats. National Oatmeal Day is October 29th, and to kick it off, we have got the scoop with Quaker Oats chef Steven Dominguez live from the Quaker Test Kitchen in Plano, Texas, to talk all things oats, from easy, accessible, and nutritious breakfast ideas to NFL-inspired recipes.
Yes, thanks for having me. And as the official oatmeal sponsor of the NFL, you can imagine National Oatmeal Day is a pretty big deal around here. So we're celebrating in multiple ways. First of all, we're kicking off our Quaker pre-grain tour with the NFL, and we'll be visiting cities and stadiums to showcase our Quaker food trucks, which will be giving out samples for consumers to try from recipes out of what we're calling our Quaker Playbook. The Playbook has 32 recipes, and as you can imagine, they're inspired by all 32 NFL teams and their respective cities, really showcasing the versatility of oats. So whether that be lunch, snacks, breakfast, or dinner, there's a Quaker product in there for you. But beyond all that, we are also partnering with a national nonprofit to give back. We believe that life circumstances should not be a barrier to good nutrition. That's why we're partnering with Gen Youth to provide $250,000 to fight child hunger. Something else that we're doing as the weather gets colder this fall season is we're continuing to roll out new product. This time around, we're excited to showcase our new Quaker Oat Fruit Fusion. It is an instant pack, which is very convenient for consumers, and is pack loaded with vitamins E, D, C, zinc, calcium, made with no artificial flavors, no artificial colors, and made with 100% real fruit. A strawberry peach flavor, raspberry strawberry, and blueberry blackberry. Really excited for everyone to give them a try if they haven't yet. So, to learn more or for more information, check out QuakerOats.com. There you can find recipe inspirations, keep up with our latest product launches, and download our Quaker Playbook, in which you will find all 32 recipes in partnership with the NFL. As well, follow us on Instagram and TikTok, where you find familiar faces ready to inspire you using the Quaker brand.